Today's expose is on what is called a blessing scam. What makes these schemes dangerous is people join when they're vulnerable and are trusting of someone already caught up in the scheme. This group is called AE for Alliance Economics, and there are 17,811 members in this scheme, so we're talking about a large operation here. Let's make sure to read through the facts page so we understand what we're signing up for. Number one, what is Alliance Economics? We are a community of like-minded people working together for the benefit of each person in the community through group economics. How do I join Alliance Economics? You donate a $500 gift and you recruit 2 people. That should be the first massive red flag. If you're being asked to join something with an upfront cost and you have to recruit more people, I can almost guarantee it's going to be a pyramid scheme. As you scroll down, you stop at number 8 because they want to make sure that you know this is not a Ponzi scheme. Charles Ponzi promised a high rate of returns with little risk to investors. However, he was not actually investing their money, but rather using investors to pay investors. Let's keep that in mind for what I'm about to show you. Since this community operates off of the generosity of its members giving a volunteered gift, it is impossible for it to be a Ponzi scheme. The operators of this scheme manipulate you into thinking it's an entirely legitimate operation. Notice how they switch up the operation to be a community of gift giving from volunteers instead of investing. So of course it's not a Ponzi scheme. You're using recruits to pay previous recruits.
To disclose very quickly, we are not a business guy. So if you're here thinking that you are going to be introduced to a business opportunity or an investment of some sort, you are in the wrong place to be, guys.
Dap is the leader of this community, and he makes it clear that this is not a business or investment opportunity. In just a minute, he's going to let you know that people in this scheme make 11x on their money. It's not an investment scheme, you guys.
In our process, you put in a dollar, you get back $11.20. That's the difference of our process, but that's because we decide to leverage off of each other through the duplication. That's the only difference. There's no scam, there's no trick, there's no pyramid. At the end of the day, we understand that the money is in the numbers.
You just put money in and you'll 10x your money. As long as we change up the words, then it's not an investment scheme. I already messaged Dap wanting to get in on this scheme because who wouldn't want to make $11 for every $1 invested? And with no risk, even Grant Cardone wishes he could have come up with 11x instead of 10x.
But I say the Lord because it was the Lord that gave that divine connection for me to be introduced to a process that not only has changed my life, but it looks like it's changing almost 7,000 people, Black, brown, and beige. Yes, let me say it again. 7,000 people, Black, brown, and beige.
Oh man, I guess I'm not allowed. You guys have to see how confident Dap is. Near the end of this presentation, he legitimately Google searches blessing circles and comes across this news article titled BBB and NC warns against blessing loom scam on social media. Let's actually go back a few moments in this presentation and I'm gonna see if you notice something. Here's an image of the setup for Dap's scheme. And then here's the image from this news article that he presented live to the people watching this presentation. The news article is literally explaining this exact system as a blessing scam, which is a pyramid scheme. From the article itself, it is a ploy that promises that if you put in $100 and recruit people to join your circle, you will walk away with $800. But your friends or acquaintances sharing this probably don't realize it's the classic definition of a pyramid scheme. Maybe, just maybe, Dap's blessing scam is different than the one in the news article.
All right, you got to be that selfless person. If you are, you can receive a blessing in return of 700% on your initial blessing.
Oh, come on, man, Dap, a 700% return? Clearly, this is the exact same scam that the news is warning people about, and Dap showed the audience that it is a scam and people are still buying in. Greed is what drives pyramid schemes. Let's hear Dap explain why this isn't a scam.
Yeah, when you go on Google and you watch all of the news reports, it's all the same concept, $100 to $800. And most people start complaining because you never see a presentation.
All of the scams out there, they're scams because the people don't watch the presentation. It's all in the presentation, and people just need to understand that you have to get buy-in from your recruits. Pyramid schemes rely on the next recruits buying into the system, and when they stop buying in, the entire scheme comes crashing down. And the stories find their way to the news. You can't have any skeptical recruits. That's why we keep this community tight-knit.
All right, you got to be that selfless person. If you are, you can receive a blessing in return of 700% on your initial blessing. Please, no recording of this process. It is really important that we stay within the lines of doing things the right way, and recording this and making this public is not going to make it any easier for us. It's only going to make it more challenging.
Of course, he doesn't want this presentation recorded because now it's out in the open and all these poor souls are stuck in a pyramid scheme. You want to know why pyramid schemes are successful just for a little bit? Because the people who join first get insane paydays, so of course it's legitimate to them, and then they go tell their friends and family that they're making a 700% return on their investment and the money hit their account. This is how pyramid schemes can sustain themselves enough to reach 17,000 members in a group that doesn't allow for any of this information to go public. It's all referrals.
I'm disappointed because how is it that you can miss out on an opportunity like this?
This is a testimonial from someone. Of course it's an amazing opportunity because she earned money. Here's a quick breakdown of how much these get-rich-quick lottery winners are actually pulling in. Here's how the scheme works. All 8 people on the outside are in the fire zone. They all give $1,400 to the pot. When there are 8 members in the fire zone so that it's full, then the pot of $11,200 is given to the single member in the water zone, Philly. When Philly receives their money, they are out of the system. Dap and Randall go from the earth zone into their own water zone. Everyone moves up a level. In Dap and Randall's pyramid schemes, they now have empty fire zones. In order for Dap and Randall to get paid their $11,200, all members in their win zone must recruit 2 new people into the fire zone. As long as everyone is recruiting 2 new people to join the fire zone, the pyramid scheme is working amazingly.
I'm disappointed because how is it that you can miss out on an opportunity like this?
All right, you got to be that selfless person. If you are, you can receive a blessing in return of 700% on your initial blessing.
Yeah, it's a can't miss opportunity. You gift $1,400 when joining the system, and then when you reach the water zone, you're gifted $11,200. Amazing, it's like magic. But what happens if Christella, Mary, Remy, and Burley are unable to convince 2 new people to join the scheme? Well, that's when the pyramid stops and everyone who hasn't profited is left holding the bag. If one person in the win zone is only able to recruit 1 person and not 2, then the scheme stops and everyone is out their money.
Myths and facts, let's talk about this win-win proposition real quickly. This is not a pyramid scheme, guys, all right? And we're not here to argue that fact with you. The numbers prove it for itself, all right? We don't have time to be a part of anything illegal, all right? A pyramid scheme is really simple and straightforward, like a Bernie Madoff, a Zeke Rewards, and all of these other legitimate companies with legitimate people that are licensed doing what they're thought to do, right? But that's not what's happening when you're giving them your money. Commit to your 2 responsibilities. Invite people you trust who will commit to the process. Invite people you trust who will commit to the process.
Multiple times throughout this presentation, Dap hammers the point home that you must find people willing to commit to the process. He pretends like people are signing up to play football at the University of Alabama. You must dedicate yourself to the process. A pyramid scheme has to have buy-in from everyone because if recruiting stops, the entire scheme stops. This is literally a pyramid scheme. There is no payout for the water zone if no more recruiting happens. This is by definition a pyramid scheme. And all of these people are potential victims with an incomplete circle. They are not victims when more recruits are entering into the scheme, but the second recruiting stops, everyone left is holding the bag.
All right, you got to be that selfless person. If you are, you can receive a blessing in return of 700% on your initial blessing.
These schemes prey on the vulnerable and lure you in with promises of fast money. And then they can even give you testimonials because people do make money in pyramid schemes.
That we had something here that if it's shared correctly and people understand that they have 2 very simple responsibilities. Bless $1,400 to someone and make sure they share it with 2 people that's willing to commit to the same process.
Gift and recruit, baby. As long as we have people bringing in the dough and recruiting more people, then we can make money, baby. But it's terrible for the people who are going to lose their $1,400 in this.
To be able to see us all come together and do the impossible. Because everyone, trust me, everyone outside of our community thinks what we are doing is impossible. Matter of fact, there's a great majority of people that look like us that think this is impossible. And I'm telling you, this is something that has been ordained by my God, my Lord, and my Savior. And I'm telling you right now, whether you believe or you don't.
These presentations are ridiculously manipulative. It's us versus them. This is only for a select group of minorities. Do not let anyone else know about this. They don't believe in us. If we stick together, we'll make 700% returns. Where else can you make this kind of money?
When somebody says all you need is two, how selfish can you be to just share this with two people? You know more than two people that you love, care, and trust for the most.
Don't you love your family members? Don't you want to see your friends succeed in life? Then go out and recruit more than two people into the scheme.
Are there options to, and here's the other thing. I don't want people coming into this process like those other scams out there. All right. The scam is the mindset. No blessing circle is a scam. The scam is thinking that you can go into a circle, a rectangle, a triangle, whatever you want to call it, right? Thinking that you can give something and get something back without doing work.
Apparently the scam is the mindset. This is freaking comical. He spent an hour explaining how all you have to do is gift $1,400 into the pot, recruit two people, and then you will wait your turn to receive $11,200. There is no value being created. There is no business. There is no investment. There is no work. This dude is a cold-blooded fraudster, and he'll be in jail if any of these victims have any money left to hire a lawyer.
Isuzu, guys, is just Isuzu. It's a one-to-one exchange. You get 10 people together, you want to bless $1,000, that's 10 grand. And it just keeps on rotating. So you don't have the opportunity to really stretch with like a 700% return on your blessing.
The legitimate ways of community funding are not worth your time. These other legal ways of gift giving don't have the software we have or the intelligence behind the system. Those systems can't give you 700% returns. Why in the world would you join them? You don't want to share equally, do you? Final point I'm going to make. All of you watching this, you have to stop buying into social media in 2020 and thinking there are ways to get rich quick, or there is some magical investment opportunity for you to start driving Lambos 6 months from now, or there's a course that's going to make you rich. It's not going to happen. There's a few people out there who are the true business rock stars who can earn a lot of money quickly, but they are rare, and a lot of them aren't even on social media. Stop buying into these schemes where you can turn $1,000 into $11,000. Your career of earning $35,000 to $50,000 a year and paying your bills every month and having a healthy family is a much better life than a lot of these clowns you see on social media. As you're starting to see, a lot of these fake gurus and schemers are getting exposed. Just like this pyramid scheme, this is a short-term game that could result in jail time. When the pyramid scheme stops, everyone at the bottom is holding the bag, but they're only in the scheme because of greed. Keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching.